What's up? Today I'm playing the Valorant console beta, so let's get it.
Hey, Phoenix. Combat recertification. You're the final one to go.
Saving the best for last.
Grab that pistol. Now focus your aim and shoot down the drone.
Now I reload.
Yep. Grab that vandal. Cool. Now swap to it. Now shoot the bots.
Okay, Jet. I'll take it from here.
Sova, the marksman himself.
Focus your aim, then fire a full magazine into the target. Notice how bullets stray upward above your crosshair. While focusing, shoot the central target with sustained fire. To stay on target, adjust your aim slightly downwards as your bullets stray upwards.
Alright, where to next?
Jump up those crates to reach the next area.
Got it. Yo, Jet, what'd you score on this training sim?
Higher than you, Will.
Phoenix is doing well.
Don't encourage him, Sova.
Now this is important. Moving and shooting at the same time is highly inaccurate. So, move to face each bot, then stop and shoot while standing still. Fire effectively, you must stop to shoot, then reposition, stop to shoot again. Good, a few more. These bots strafe back and forth.
Go for headshots, yeah?
Always. Headshots do much more damage. When you move, the force field blocks your bullets. So stop moving, then shoot at the bots. Well done. Head back to control.
Hurry up, Slowpoke.
We don't all have wind powers, Jet.
True, you don't. Only way to speed up is to switch weapons. Equip your knife to move fast.
What's next?
Combat simulations. First we'll attack, then we'll defend. The room's ready. Let's jump in.
Now tell me about the spike.
I don't know.
The spike is a detonation device that extracts radionite. As attackers,
We plant the spike, stop defenders from defusing it, then boom. See? I got it.
good enough. Let's gear up. You'll want heavy shields. Don't forget those. Grab a vandal. And prepare your curveball ability.
All set.
Okay, grab the spike, then move to starting positions. Time for the plan. Open your map. This map has 3 sites we can hit. A, B, and C. Phoenix, you take the spike on this path to C site and then plant. Sage and I will stick with you. Jet and Sova, you two go C long.
Got it.
Yes, Commander.
Now the enemy's listening for us, so keep quiet. Let's sneak to the choke point. Let's try again. Remember, being quiet is important. Now the enemy's listening for us, so keep quiet. Let's sneak to the choke point. Hold up. An enemy's in there. We should use abilities before gunfights to help take ground from the enemy.
I could throw my curveball. It'll blind them. We'll have an advantage.
Good. Curve it left around the door. They're blind. Push in. Take them out.
I got him!
I killed another. Jet's down, but C site's clear.
Move in. Rush the site, then plant the spike.
Spike's planted.
Now we protect it. Follow me.
Yo, my ultimate's ready.
Perfect. Let's hide here. Now, describe your ultimate.
If I die, I come back to life right here. Reborn through fire, baby.
Good. Use your ult to stop defenders from defusing. Wait for my signal. I hear them. Use your...
Come on, let's go!
Go, go! Take them out!
They're super dead.
Now move to safety before the spike detonates. Great work. Let's switch to defense.
Switching sides.
Sage, you're the defense expert.
Yes. As defenders, we prevent the spike from detonating at all costs. Let's gear up again.
First, safety. Grab heavy shields. Now your abilities. Prepare blaze this time.
Wall of fire, here we go.
Do you need a gun? Let us know.
Cheers.
Now, the key to a defensive hold is spreading out and sharing information. Phoenix, you and Sova defend A site. We'll cover the rest. Everyone stay alert. Listen for enemy footsteps. Sova, give us recon.
Revealing area. Found them.
Phoenix, defend the ramp. Use your ability. Hot hands. Throw the fire at the choke point. If they push, they'll burn.
Careful now.
Phoenix, fall back. Brimstone, block their vision.
Copy. Smoke's down.
They're backing off.
Let's see where they go. Be ready to rotate. Enemy spotted C. Spike spotted at C site. Rotate to C.
Equip your knife to move faster.
Sova, can you recon?
Yes, scouting ahead. There they are. They're ready for us. We'll be spotted. Throw your blaze where I've pinged to block their vision. Your blaze will cover the full angle. Try again. They spotted you. Use blaze to block their vision. Then enter site without them seeing you. They're ready for us. There they are.
Going up.
Push forward. Kill the enemies, then defuse.
Gotta defuse. Oh, it's gonna be close.
Not bad, pretty boy.
You're good to go, kid. You can always return for more training and practice different guns and abilities. When you're ready, the front lines are waiting.